In this module, we're going to talk about lean management for sales teams. How can sales teams drive efficiency and value to the customer? In today's competitive market, sales teams face constant pressure, targets to hit, clients to win, and processes to optimize. That's where lean management comes in. Originally developed for manufacturing, lean is a game changer for sales, helping teams work smarter, not harder. Lean is all about efficiency, maximizing customer value while eliminating waste. And no, waste isn't just physical, it's inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and missed opportunities. Let's talk about three key principles. Key principle number one, value driven selling. Lean starts with understanding what your customer truly values. Are we selling features or solving problems? Aligning sales conversations with customer needs ensures we're providing real value, not just pushing products. By shifting the mindset from what can we sell to how can we help, teams build stronger relationships and close more deals. Key principle number two, eliminating waste in sales. Waste in sales comes in many forms: time consuming admin tasks, poorly qualified leads, and unclear processes. Lean helps us strip away the unnecessary. Streamlining workflows, automating repetitive tasks, and focusing only on high quality leads allow teams to boost productivity and revenue. Key principle number three, continuous improvement. Lean thrives on continuous improvement, small, consistent tweaks that make a big impact. We follow a PDCA or Plan, Do, Check, Act process using a standard problem solving process. Whether it's refining our pitch, improving response times, or testing new strategies, the lean problem solving mindset keeps us evolving. Companies using lean principles see faster deal cycles, higher conversion rates, and stronger customer retention. Here are two examples. One, Toyota's lean sales approach. Toyota, known for pioneering lean in manufacturing, applies similar principles in sales. Their sales teams focus on value driven conversations, eliminating unnecessary steps in the customer journey and using data to refine their approach. By continuously improving their sales process, they enhance customer satisfaction and efficiency. Two, HubSpot. Many software as a service companies like HubSpot use lean principles to refine their sales funnels. They focus on customer feedback loops, rapid iteration of sales strategies, and automation to eliminate waste. This helps them increase efficiency and close deals faster. By working smarter, not harder, Lean empowers sales teams to close more deals while delivering better value. Lean isn't about cutting corners, it's about optimizing the way we work. Ready to transform your sales process? Start small, think big, and always improve.